I'm really excited to make a giant Hershey's Kiss do-it-yourself Valentine's gift for kids. The kids can make it, or you can make it for your kids. It would also make a great teacher's gift. These are the supplies you're going to need for this craft. I picked up some funnels, and this is going to be the base of the Hershey Kiss. We do need to cut this little tab off the side. That will make it hard to wrap. The funnels came in 3 different sizes, but I'm going to use this largest one as my Hershey Kiss. This goes together really quickly, but we're going to start by putting some tissue paper inside and putting our gifts in there. Let's put some things inside our funnel. It's not very big, so I packed the loose candy in a little plastic bag. Kind of get that into the point of the cone. And then, of course, add the Hershey's Kisses and the ornament. And that's about all that's going to fit in here. Then I'm going to wrap this up. You could wrap this in saran wrap if you wanted to hold it tight, but I'm going to slip mine in a plastic bag because I like recycling stuff that I have here already. And that's going to hold that tight. I'm going to twist it around the top here and then bring that bag back down. And it's going to start it's noisy. It's going to start patting this outside edge here so that it is not so curved in right here. And I think I'll use a second plastic bag to do that same thing. Okay, so this gives us a little more padding and makes it a little more in a straight triangle shape. Okay, and I'm leaving the top hole open because we're going to put something in there. And then I'm going to slip this whole thing in one more bag and then tape it shut. Now, can you see that it's a nice shape now? I'm going to use a little bit of tape here. There we go. That'll make it a little harder open. That'll be fun. We're going to make the little slip of paper that's going to come out of the top of the Kiss, because all Hershey's Kisses have this little paper that says Kisses that comes out of the top. We're going to cut a piece of paper that's about 1 inch wide. If you want to use a ruler, you're welcome to do that. I'm just going to eyeball it. And I'm going to write Kisses on here with a blue marker. Do put a piece of paper underneath here because it does leak through onto your surface. And we're going to just roll the end of it and stick it down into the funnel. And then that's going to hang out of the top just like it does on our little Hershey Kiss candies. But I took out 1 large piece of aluminum foil that's probably of more than 1.5 feet in length. And here's a second piece. Now I'm going to pull the foil up over the top so that it looks like the Hershey Kiss foil. Kind of press it in to make it kind of smooth around the edge right at the bottom so it's rounded. And try to get it into the Hershey Kiss shape. I especially push it in right here at the top. And then tuck those ends in. And there's your paper. What do you think? I love it. And that's all there is to making this giant Hershey Kiss do-it-yourself Valentine gift. The kids will love making it, or you'll love making it for the kids. For more Valentine craft ideas, come on over to welcometonana's.com and join the fun.